Let's clear something up right away. Constipation is common, but it is not normal. Straining, bloating, skipping days, feeling backed up, or never fully emptying. Those are not things your body is designed to do. They're signs that something in your system isn't communicating properly. And the good news, most constipation is fixable once you understand what's actually causing it. Constipation isn't just about the bathroom. It affects energy, hormones, mood, appetite, sleep, and even how your body handles toxins. So in this series, we're breaking constipation down properly, without embarrassment, without fear, and without lazy advice like just eat more fiber. Most people define constipation as not going every day. But medically and functionally, constipation is about slow movement. Your digestive tract is supposed to move rhythmically. Hydrate stool and eliminate efficiently. Constipation happens when stool sits too long. When that happens, water gets absorbed back into the body. Stool becomes dry and hard, pressure builds, and elimination becomes difficult or incomplete. This is a timing and signaling issue, not a willpower issue. Constipation rates are higher now than ever. Why? Because modern life disrupts digestion. Things like chronic stress, rushing in the morning, sitting all day, ignoring bathroom urges, dehydration, low mineral intake, ultra-processed foods. Your gut responds to your lifestyle, not your intentions. And when digestion slows, the body adapts, but not in a helpful way. Your gut and brain are constantly talking. Stress tells the gut, not now. Skipping meals confuses timing. Ignoring urges weakens reflexes. Fear or force tightens muscles. Over time, the gut stops sending strong signals. This is why constipation often feels like, I don't feel the urge anymore, or I go, but nothing happens. That's not failure. That's miscommunication. Most people try to fix constipation with fiber overload, laxatives, caffeine, or panic. Those may work temporarily, but they don't restore function. This series is about rebuilding normal digestion, calm, predictable, effortless. So if constipation isn't just about fiber or water, what is it really driven by? If you've tried fiber, water, supplements, even laxatives, and constipation keeps coming back, there's a high chance you're missing the real issue. It's not what you're eating, it's how your gut moves. That process is called motility, and without it, nothing else works. Motility is the muscular movement of your digestive tract. It's what pushes food forward. It's what triggers the urge to go. It's what decides whether stool exits easily or stays stuck. Your intestines aren't passive tubes. They contract in coordinated waves, called peristalsis, to move contents forward. This movement is rhythmic, automatic, and controlled by your nervous system. When motility is healthy, stool moves daily. When motility slows, stool lingers, water gets reabsorbed, pressure builds, and constipation begins. No amount of fiber can replace movement. Motility slows for reasons like chronic stress, nervous system imbalance, electrolyte deficiency, and a sedentary lifestyle. Motility isn't broken, it's inhibited. This is the mistake most people make. Fiber adds bulk. Bulk needs movement. Without motility, fiber just sits. That's why people feel more bloated, pressure, and discomfort. Many constipated people say, I don't even feel like I need to go. That's a motility and signaling issue. Fiber should support movement, not replace it. Your rectum has stretch sensors. When stool arrives regularly, they fire. When stool arrives irregularly, they go quiet. The urge fades, but it can be retrained. So motility is the engine, but what controls that engine? Let me say something that might surprise you. Your body will not let you poop if it doesn't feel safe. Not relaxed, not calm, not unthreatened, safe. And that decision is controlled by your nervous system. Digestion is not a priority during stress. Your body can survive a long time without eliminating. It cannot survive danger. So when stress is high, your nervous system quietly shuts digestion down. Your nervous system has two main modes, fight or flight versus rest and digest. Constipation happens when fight or flight stays on too long. Blood flow shifts, muscle contractions slow, sphincters tighten. Your body isn't malfunctioning, it's protecting you. This is why constipation shows up during busy seasons, travel, anxiety, burnout, even if diet stays the same. The gut listens to stress more than food. This is why vacations magically fix constipation. Nothing changed nutritionally. The nervous system did. Straining, rushing, or panicking sends the wrong message. It tells your body, this is not safe. That tightens pelvic floor muscles. It inhibits peristalsis. Constipation isn't solved by force, it's solved by permission. Your posture, breathing, and timing matter. A relaxed body opens, a tense body holds. This is why people often can't go at work but can at home. Same gut, different nervous system state. So stress and nerves control motility, but there's another hidden factor that affects how hard or soft stool becomes. If you've ever been told, just drink more water, and thought, I already do, you're not imagining things. Because constipation isn't caused by a lack of water alone, it's caused by a lack of usable hydration. Hydration isn't just about how much you drink, it's about whether water actually makes it into your tissues, including your intestines. Here's what happens inside your colon. As stool moves through, your body reabsorbs water from it. This is normal. But when transit is slow, too much water is pulled back into the body. The result? Dry, hard stool that's difficult to pass. So constipation isn't just not enough water. It's water being removed too efficiently. Drinking large amounts of plain water without electrolytes can actually dilute mineral levels. Minerals like sodium, potassium, magnesium. These are required for muscle contractions, nerve signaling, fluid balance. Low electrolytes, weak intestinal movement. So people drink more, pee more, and still feel dry and constipated. Electrolytes help water enter cells, stay in the gut when needed, support muscle contractions. This includes the smooth muscle of the intestines. Without electrolytes, hydration doesn't translate into movement. This is why some people notice better bowel movements when they add a pinch of salt or mineral-rich fluids. Hydration timing matters. Drinking fluids in the morning helps trigger the gastrocolic reflex, the signal that tells your colon it's time to move. Skipping hydration early often delays the urge entirely, so hydration and minerals affect stool softness. But there's one mineral that deserves special attention because it directly relaxes the bowels. If constipation feels like your body is clenched, that's because it is. And one of the most common reasons? Low magnesium. Magnesium isn't a laxative, it's a relaxation signal. Every muscle in your body, including your intestines, needs magnesium to relax. Without it, muscles stay tight, movement slows, stool gets stuck. Magnesium supports bowel movements in 3 key ways. First, it relaxes smooth muscle. This allows peristalsis to move stool forward. Second, it draws water into the intestines, softening stool gently. Third, it calms the nervous system, which improves digestion. Modern life burns through magnesium quickly. Things like stress, caffeine, alcohol, sweating, intense exercise. Even people who eat well are often low. Low magnesium shows up as constipation, muscle tension, anxiety, poor sleep. Not all magnesium works the same. Magnesium citrate and oxide tend to draw more water. Magnesium glycinate is gentler. The goal is support, not dependency. Magnesium helps restore movement, but it shouldn't be the only solution. If you rely on it completely, something else is still missing, usually hydration, stress balance, or timing. Magnesium helps relaxation, but constipation also depends on timing. Your body has a built-in clock for digestion, and if that clock gets ignored long enough, constipation becomes the new normal. The good news? It can be retrained. Bowel movements are not random. They're tied to daily rhythms, especially in the morning. This rhythm is called the gastrocolic reflex. When you wake up and eat or drink, your stomach sends a signal to your colon. That signal says, make space. This is your body's natural cue to eliminate. When the reflex is strong, urges feel clear and elimination feels easy. When it's weak, urges are faint. Stool stays higher in the colon, and constipation develops. The gastrocolic reflex weakens when mornings are rushed, breakfast is skipped, hydration is delayed, and bathroom urges are ignored. Over time, the body stops sending strong signals. Not because it's broken, but because it's adapted. Retraining is simple, but it requires consistency. Wake up at a similar time, hydrate shortly after waking, eat something warm, sit on the toilet calmly, even without urgency. This teaches the gut, this is when we go. No forcing, no straining. Just repetition. Your body won't release under pressure. If you feel rushed, tense, or stressed, the signal shuts down. This is why many people can only go at home. Create a calm environment, and the body follows. Timing helps retrain the urge, but what you eat also affects stool quality. Fiber is usually the first thing people try, and often the first thing that makes constipation worse. So let's clear this up once and for all. Fiber is not the enemy. But it's not the solution everyone thinks it is either. Fiber has one main job. It adds bulk. And bulk is only helpful if your gut is already moving. Otherwise, it creates pressure, not progress. Fiber comes in 2 main forms. Insoluble fiber adds structure. It speeds things up if motility is already working. Soluble fiber absorbs water. It softens stool if hydration is adequate. Problems happen when insoluble fiber is added to a slow gut, soluble fiber is added without enough fluid, or fiber intake jumps too fast. The gut gets overwhelmed. When motility is low, fiber just sits, it ferments, it bloats, it stretches the gut. People feel more pressure, more discomfort, more gas, less urge, and they assume they need even more fiber. That's the trap. Constipation isn't cured by adding mass. It's cured by restoring movement. If you're severely constipated, reducing fiber briefly can help. This gives the gut a break, reduces pressure, allows motility to recover. Cooked foods, soups, stews, and easy-to-digest meals often help more than raw salads and bran. This isn't forever, it's strategic. Once movement improves, fiber can support regularity. Add it slowly, one change at a time, with adequate fluids and minerals. Fiber works best when it follows function, not when it's used to force it. So fiber matters, but only at the right time. Here's something wild. You can eat perfectly, hydrate well, fix minerals, manage stress, and still struggle with constipation. Because of how you sit, stand, and move, constipation isn't just chemical, it's mechanical. Your intestines are physical structures. They respond to gravity, they respond to movement, they respond to posture, and modern life blocks all three. Movement stimulates digestion, walking, twisting, bending. These motions gently massage the intestines. But long periods of sitting compress the abdomen, slow circulation, reduce intestinal movement. This is why constipation is so common in desk jobs and sedentary lifestyles. The gut likes motion. Modern toilets are not anatomically ideal. When you sit upright, the rectum stays partially kinked. That kink makes elimination harder. Squatting, or mimicking a squat, straightens the pathway. This reduces straining, incomplete emptying, pressure. It's not a gimmick, it's anatomy. Straining increases pressure downward. That pressure tightens pelvic floor muscles. It signals stress. It reinforces holding patterns. Over time, the body learns to resist release. Ease, not force, is what retrains normal elimination. Gentle movement matters more than intense exercise. Walking after meals, gentle twisting, deep breathing with movement, hip and pelvic mobility. These actions tell the gut, it's okay to move. Consistency beats intensity every time. So movement and posture support elimination. But what about constipation that just won't resolve? If constipation has been part of your life for years, if it comes and goes, or never fully resolves, that doesn't mean you're broken, it means a pattern has formed. Chronic constipation isn't one problem, it's a collection of adaptations, your body doing the best it can with the signals it's been given. Constipation becomes chronic when motility stays slow, urges stay weak, stool consistency stays dry, or elimination feels incomplete most days. Over time, the gut, pelvic floor, and nervous system start working around the problem. That's why quick fixes stop working, not because they're weak, but because the system has adapted. Some signs mean it's time to ask for help. Ongoing pain, bleeding, unexplained weight loss, sudden changes in bowel habits, constipation that doesn't respond at all. Getting support isn't failure. It's part of listening to your body. Long-term relief comes from consistency, not perfection. That means regular timing, gentle movement, calm bathroom habits, hydration with minerals, stress awareness, patience. Your gut learns through repetition, not pressure. The goal isn't to rely on laxatives, supplements, or fear. The goal is confidence, knowing your body will move without forcing, without anxiety, without constant management. Constipation isn't something to ignore or fight. It's information, and when you respond to it with understanding instead of frustration, your body often meets you halfway. If this series helped you understand your digestion better, consider subscribing. We talk about gut health, hormones, energy, and recovery in ways that actually make sense. Your body communicates. Learning to listen changes everything.